Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. Feel at home, enjoy your stay. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much. I really appreciate the love. As you can see by the title, I am making a fully loaded smoothie. Come along with me. Let I show you how I do this. You can have this smoothie for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Here I have apple, strawberries, blueberries, watermelon, yogurt. I also have chia and flax seed. This is a very healthy and delicious smoothie. So now I have all the fruits ready, prepped and ready to blend. So here I'm using my Vitamix, and I'm gonna put the watermelon in first because of course this is gonna be the liquid for the smoothie. I'm gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of flax and chia seed. If you know me, when it comes to my smoothie, I love to put flax seed or chia seed or both in my smoothie. Now I'm adding the yogurt, adding the strawberries. Now I'm adding the blueberries and the apples. So I'm gonna pause and then blend. Okay, everything is blending smoothly. And there you have it. My smoothie is ready. Fully loaded smoothie with strawberries, blueberries, watermelon, apple, chia and flaxseed, strawberry yogurts. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Just go ahead, do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Please subscribe for more healthy recipes from Sister J's World. Thanks for watching.